Let's understand organizational skills. It involves managing resources, establishing structures and systems, and coordinating activities to achieve desired results or outcomes. Good organizational skills are crucial for conducting successful events and business operations. Being a well organized person yourselves too is very valuable. So, by applying these skills, individuals and organizations can operate effectively and efficiently on a day to day basis and eventually start achieving their goals and growth and deliver value. One real world example of organizational skills is the management of a hospital. The hospital involves various departments such as nursing, surgery, and laboratory, each with its own tasks and responsibilities. Effective organizational skills are required to ensure smooth functioning and operation, including scheduling staff, managing supplies, and coordinating patient care. Another example is the organization of a music festival. The event involves coordinating multiple stages, scheduling performers, managing sound and lighting, and ensuring the safety of attendees. Effective organizational skills are essential to ensure the festival runs smoothly and meets the expectations of both the performers and attendees. So, a crucial skill indeed. Go ahead and attempt the organizational skills quiz.